You have a team meeting at 9, a proposal due Thursday that only you can write, and somewhere between midnight and 6 a.m., you find time to think about the business that was supposed to be keeping you alive. You're not struggling, you're successful, and that's exactly the problem. There are two kinds of successful people, those whose value lives inside them, and those whose value lives inside a system. The first, brilliant, in demand, the person everyone calls, and permanently exhausted, because every hour they stop, the value stops with them. The second learn how to take everything they know, their authority, their expertise, their point of view, and build it into something that works without them. They stopped being the product, they became the architect of one. A perspective shared that the right person recognized themselves in it before you've even woken up. An offer so clearly anchored in what you do better than anyone that the right clients arrive already convinced. No chasing, no convincing, just the quiet gravity of being exactly what someone was looking for. And behind all of it, a system, carrying the weight that used to require your constant presence, so your presence can finally go where it matters. When that shift happens, something changes that's hard to describe until you felt it. You stop pricing from fear and start pricing from the certainty of what you're worth. You wake up to mornings not already owned by someone else's urgency. Revenue arrives while you're at dinner, fully present for the first time in years. You booked the trip not as a reward for surviving, but because your life has room for it now. Not because you worked harder, because you changed what you were building. I've spent past 3 years running accelerators for women founders, hundreds of cases, 3 companies of my own. Everything I learned about positioning, about building something compounding, about designing a business that gives you freedom, I built into one practical system for the woman who wants the work she loves and the life she planned for when she started. Because more women deserve both. Check out the details below for more information.